Now this is the Ebike kit that I'm working on. Got the controller here, got the battery pack, and you've got all these wires coming out here. I'm mainly concerned with this motor. So you've got the motor cable coming here, you've got these phase wires. So what I've done here is I've just swapped some of these colors of some green to blue, put that on, then this one as well. There's a third one here, we'll just leave that on there. And we've got a maxi switch here. It's a no spark switch. We don't want the sparks coming out at 36 volts. We've got this little button. We press that first for a few seconds, and we've got this that I need to put in there. Alright, so put that on, press a few seconds, light. Alright, there at the LED display, put this on. Okay, no spark. I'll go here. Now you've got the throttle here. We're gonna see if this works. And alright. Oh, works. Good. There's a rubbing here. That was working. That's good. Try it again. We'll just up the power, which is here at the LED display. Put it too high. Press the throttle again. Cool. Very good. All working fine and dandy. Switching the phase wire worked after all. Thanks, Michael. Stop. Good. Now I just need to tidy up these spaghetti. All these wires, gotta tidy that up. Alright. Thank you.